In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and resolve connection issues with your Yahoo Mail app on your mobile device. It's frustrating when you're unable to access your emails on the go, but rest assured, we'll walk through some simple steps to get things back up and running smoothly. Let's start by ensuring your internet connection is solid. First, check that your mobile device is connected to the internet. This could be through a Wi-Fi connection or a stable cellular data link. A weak signal or poor connectivity might be the culprit, so make sure you're in a location where your connection is strong and reliable. Next, let's turn our attention to the Yahoo Mail app itself. It's important to keep the app up to date because updates often contain important bug fixes and performance improvements. Go to your device's App Store, either the Google Play Store for Android users or the Apple App Store for those on iOS. Check for updates, and if there's a newer version of the Yahoo Mail app available, be sure to download and install it. If you're using an Android device, the next step involves clearing the app's cache and data. Over time, cached data can accumulate and potentially cause issues. Head to your phone's settings, find the Apps or Applications section, and locate Yahoo Mail. From there, you'll want to select the options to clear both the cache and the data. This step can often resolve lingering problems by removing temporary data that might be causing the glitch. At times, the connection between the app and your email account can get disrupted. To address this, try signing out of the Yahoo Mail app and then signing back in. This can reestablish a fresh connection to your account that resolves any authentication issues you might be facing. If you've tried all this and still encounter issues, consider uninstalling the Yahoo Mail app and reinstalling it. This can act as a clean slate, eradicating any corrupted files that may be affecting performance. Simply uninstall the app from your device, then head back to your App Store and reinstall it. Another detail to check is your device's date and time settings. An incorrect date or time can interfere with your email service's ability to authenticate your login. Ensure your phone is set to automatically update the date and time to ensure accuracy. Finally, for a bit of troubleshooting, try logging into Yahoo Mail using a web browser on your mobile device. If you're able to successfully access your mail through the browser, it indicates the problem is likely within the app itself rather than a broader issue with your account. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most connection issues with the Yahoo Mail app, allowing you to get back to managing your emails without a hitch.